So that's the question we have to do today. This is your June 2025, paper 3. We will be doing the web authoring part today. Okay. So first of all, we have is this. Create your TR folder, a web page called this. So we will have obviously a TR folder. We can obviously rename this as TR folder and we can save it in the same file as well. So you know how to rename the folder, but we have to save the file in this particular folder. So I'll just open up Dreamweaver. So we have to save it as this file. Then later on, this web page must be created using a single table and work in all the browsers. The table must be center aligned and fit 80% of the browser window. The table must have a structure as shown below. So we'll have is 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 2 columns, as you can see over here. Each table cell is identified as a letter. It's a typical question that usually comes in. So what we have to do over here is we'll simply go to File, New. We'll create HTML. And we'll just save it as over here. That's the folder. And we will save it as, I didn't copy the name. This is this name. So we'll save it as this name, Control V. Done. Now we have to make a table, and we know we have to make a table which will be not the designer, I meant the insert table, insert 4 rows and 2 columns so that you have this. I'll set the width and all that later on. So I'm supposed to have over there something like this. I will merge the first one, go to the properties, and you merge from here. I'm doing a bit fast because you already know this. Okay. So we have this now exactly in the same manner. Now we will set the sizes. The size actually, they haven't mentioned this dimension. We just have to make this as 85%. So this tends to be a lot more easier. So all we have to do is we just have to make it as 85%. So 85%. Okay. So the width will be 85% of the browser window. So we don't have to type the alphabets, obviously not. Place inline style attribute into the HTML so that both the width and the height of the cell, okay, inline style into the table so that both the width and the height of C, okay, the C one is 480. So simply we have to do is, which is C, this one. So this one we have to set as inline style. So style width is 480px, right? And right. We just have to mention, is it the width and height of the cell C to 480px, right? Why is the height not appearing? So equals to height is also 480px. So we have set the width and the height of this to 480px. Yeah, it will not show right now, but obviously when you will view it in the browser window, it will be exactly okay. Now what we have to do is done. Place in cell A the image this, in cell the video, and obviously we will put the inline styles as well. So let's put the banner first. Cell A is this. So what we have to do is directly come here. In cell A, we simply go into image and we have the banner. See, the banner size is too big, obviously. So we'll use an inline style over here as well. That's the banner. And banner mein, what we'll do is, oh, uh, here. So instead of this, what I'll type is, instead of the width and the height, just type over here. ST. 1 second, 1 second. I somehow I mistakenly, yeah, see, mistakenly, I deleted. So be careful when you do this. So style, width of this should be 100. Remember this, whenever you have to set, you will set this as 100%. So once you do this, it will exactly fit the size of the cell. Remember that point. Okay. In cell C, this is C. We have to place the this video. Make sure the controls are visible. Display in auto at text matter if the browser does not support. A typical thing that has been coming for okay. Does not support this video type. I'll just copy this and I'll tell you how to insert it. So you with me, Hussein? Yes or no? Very good. Okay. So we'll come here. We'll come into insert. I repeat, I clicked here, come to insert or Windows insert or Windows insert. What you will find is what? In insert, you will find is video. You will see over here is HTML audio, HTML5 video. Insert the video. Then simply come to the source. Simply come here. That's the video file. Here you go. अब इस पे क्या करना है? First of all, the error message that you want to display, you will display it over here. इधर ठीक हो गया बेटा? Then controls में they're saying is they said we have to you see source okay visible and the video loops when played. So the loop has to be. So what we'll do is we'll just say over here is autoplay loop. Okay, we'll add the loop. What else? What else we will do is we need to fit the window. So if you want it to fit the window, what we will do is over here I have the control and I will say over here is style width 100%. So whenever you have to set this up, remember you'll put this style width. So this will fit the width. Okay. ये भी कर लिया. In cell B, enter the text from this file. So we have the text over here. Here you go. Copy. And we have to place what? In cell B. Where's B? Where's B? Where's B? This is B. This is B actually. So we'll just place it over here. The text. And the text is supposed to be H3. So we'll simply select this and we will make it H3. Okay, we'll just have a look at it in the browser window later on. Enter in cell D, new technologies. Now where is D? D. D is this. So that's D. Technologies. DE. If they ask E, is that one. Contact us. That's E. Designed by in F and your details obviously. So designed by over here and you can just type over here is Mr. Saem, for example. Your name, center number, candidate number, whatever, right? Okay. And set all these as H2. So you will select all of them and you'll select them as H2, right? Okay. Make the text new technologies a link to open to the file this tech. So you see over here is I have new technologies. I will simply select new technologies and I will link this to his tech. Fine. Okay. Make the text contact us to prepare an email to be sent to this with the subject line this. So again, a very typical question that comes in. And let me just tell you what we have to type. We have to, for this we will type is mail to. By now you should remember this. And after mail to, we have to type is this and control V. Okay, and then the question mark subject is equals to whatever the subject is. So the subject is equals to what was the subject? Tell me more. I'm just typing here to tell you. So where will you place this? Where will I type this? Contact us now and over here, link देखो properties में over here, I have to place it. Press enter. So when I click on contact us, it will open up by default the mail editor. Attach this raise style sheet to the web page. So we know we can come over here CSS designer और इधर आपके पास आता है source attach browse and you have is this style sheet. Attach this, okay. So I can just save it. Okay, let me just have a look for now. Then obviously, which one was it? Was it this racing? Okay, perfect. This is the way it is supposed to be, right? Okay, then what else now? We done all this. We all done. Okay, set the text F so that okay. Let's do this part as well. Attach. Set the text F so that the class right is applied to H2. So you can see over here is they're saying is set the text in cell F. But where was cell F? Well, cell F. Yeah, this one. So we have to apply a right class. Okay. Okay. So that the class right is applied to style 2. So F is this. I will simply come to properties and they're saying is over here. I have, you see the right? Right has been applied to F2. Okay. What that means previously you had F2. You had H2, sorry. You had H2 applied. Now I've applied the class right already built into the CSS file. वो हमने apply कर दिए. Save the web page. Then make sure you HTML source in place. So HTML source is actually your code. You have to copy all this source and you have to place it in your evidence document, copy paste, display web in the browser, resize so that everything is visible. Take a screenshot. Okay. All the page can be seen, all text can be read, the address bar is visible. Take a screenshot showing your web browser window. So all we have to do is we will simply, let me just save it again. File, save. Idhar aao. I'll just open it again. Let me open up in Chrome. So let me press Control minus and see. How much am I? No, I can't do much. I have to take two screenshots. One screenshot मैं ये लूंगा and another ये लूंगा, then I'll place this. I hope you get my point. Right, beta? I'll just stop the recording. Did you get it? Okay, beta? Okay, I'll just share the video with you. Okay, beta? Let me just